Hello, welcome to Kinda Keto with Donna. Well, this is a special Happy Thanksgiving video. So I thought I'd put it together a video of kind of like a what I ate in a day, but for Thanksgiving style. So join me. I decided to do some appetizers a few hours before dinner. It's just going to be my husband and I, so a little intimate Thanksgiving meal. But it's still nice to have some appetizers and just kind of feel a little different and a little special. So, and these are all low carb. I love my deviled eggs, so I've made deviled eggs. We've got a little pepperoni, some cheese, and I got that cheese, the Havarti and Gouda little snack cheeses at Aldi. So that looks good. We got a little spinach artichoke dip. I didn't make that one, so sometimes convenience wins out. But I've got some celery sticks to go with it, and or some pork rinds to go with it. Actually, I think that would be really good, the jalapeno. This is the jalapeno pork rinds, which I really love this brand. And we got a little shrimp cocktail with cocktail sauce, and even our cocktail sauce, look at that, made with sugar-free ketchup, G. Hughes. And this one I got at Big Lots for only $3.99. Some of these sugar-free ketchups can be kind of pricey. And the little pieces of celery I have left over, that's going to go part in the turkey cavity. And yeah, definitely having turkey today. And I may have a low-carb cocktail later with dinner, but for right now, it's kind of afternoon, so we're going to have some of these sparkling ice drinks. And they have these new holiday flavors I saw at Sam's Club and picked up a 24-pack. And they might have it at your store too, just regular grocery stores this time of year. But our choices are ginger lime, cranberry frost, and apple cider. And I tried that apple cider yesterday, and it's just like that sparkling apple cider. Oh, it was so good. It does have a little sucralose in it, but I did definitely like the flavor. So we're going to just start off with our appetizers. It's turkey time. Get turkey ready for the oven. So I had my turkey. I leave it uncovered in the refrigerator overnight, and that's supposed to also help crisp up the skin, and I'm all about the crispy skin. And I also left it out of the refrigerator for about 40 minutes, so anywhere between 30 minutes to 60 minutes. And what I'm going to do, I got some aromatics here. You got your carrots, celery, and onion I'm going to put in the cavity. I don't put stuffing in the cavity for mine. Got some butter I'm going to put under the skin. And I use for bacon fat. I use bacon fat all over the skin, and that makes it beautiful and crispy. I normally used to just do salt and pepper, but I have, last year I kind of came across this sort of dry rub mix, and then especially with all that beautiful bacon fat on there, this really stuck good, and it tasted really good, so I'm going to do that again today. All right, that was a messy job, but someone had to do it. So it's all ready to go. Butter patties under the skin on top of the breast. And then bacon fat all over. In the cavity, I've got celery, carrots, onions, and some garlic. And I have a few little pieces also underneath this the rack here, just so it would steam up. And I am going to do a 325-degree oven. I'm going to put foil over the breast for the first 2 hours and check it from there. There she is, a thing of beauty. My beautiful turkey. I absolutely love this time of year. And my oven gets it done a little quicker. Listen to that. That is some crispy skin. Ah, I can't wait. Alrighty. I'll show you what else we're having. Okay, all the turkeys are present, and here means it's time to eat. So this is my low-carb turkey dinner without the turkey. Haha. So I just carved half of the turkey so far. So we got the leg, the wing, a thigh, and some breast meat, just so everything doesn't get cold. I got some mashed cauliflower. Got some broccolini for a change today. I have low-carb, sugar-free cranberry sauce that I made. And this was new this year, a keto gravy without flour or cornstarch. And it actually looks really good, and I did a little taste test, and it tastes really good. There we go. Well, happy Thanksgiving and happy holidays.
Happy Thanks Keto-ving.
Good one.
Everybody enjoy.
Cheers. All right, so it's time for a little dessert. I made little pumpkin cheesecake bars with a low-carb crust. I'm having it with my low-carb cocktail. It's a White Russian. It is a keto version of White Russian. I will leave a link to that video of me making that and how I make it low-carb. And I found this True Whip, keto-friendly whipped cream over at Aldi. So it's 0 gram trans fat, non-GMO, no artificial colors, no preservatives. So for something like this, it sounds like that would work. Or maybe on a little low-carb hot chocolate, a little dollop, do you? And that will be it for tonight. Well, that was our simple low-carb Thanksgiving. I knew we were going to do not so many sides because it was just us. So that's why we decided to do a few little appetizers. And that way it did feel like there was some variety there. Now, my husband did have some of his traditional things. He likes rutabagas. And he had a little mashed potatoes. And he also had some stuffing. Now, I was thinking about making a low-carb cornbread stuffing. I got a recent cornbread recipe that turned out great, and I really liked that. I kind of did that as a primer, but I have an Etsy shop and just been too busy for that, so I skipped that. My husband had a little stovetop stuffing, so I wasn't even tempted with that. But if you're at somebody else's house, so, there's something there. Like, I thought maybe I'd have some mashed potatoes, and I didn't even bother with it. My cauliflower was really nice and soft and creamy and whipped, so it was fine. And then that really good gravy on there, I didn't even think about it. So if you're at somebody else's house, just, load up on, at least the low-carb items first. Personally, I just love the turkey. I was always just a turkey and mashed potatoes person anyway, and cranberry sauce and gravy, and all I did was swap out the cauliflower, so I still have a lot of turkey. So if you're at somebody else's house, kind of do the same strategy. Load up on kind of low-carb items. Sometimes they have appetizers too. So fill up a little bit on that, plenty of turkey, all that. Have kind of the main things first, so at least you're kind of getting full. And then just save those sides. Have a scoop of, just a spoonful of the sweet potato casserole or the mashed potatoes, or that, one side that you only get once a year. I mean, enjoy yourself for sure, but you don't have to go crazy. Thanksgiving, Christmas, all these different holidays, they're for friends and family and all that. So, I mean, our family's far away, unfortunately, so sometimes it's just us. But it gives us a chance to keep it sort of low-key, which isn't bad, and we still feel like we're celebrated. So I still have appetizers, still have desserts, still have a big, beautiful turkey meal. I don't like to just do a breast. I like to have the whole thing. A lot of good crispy skin. I like dark meat too, and so I felt that we enjoyed our holiday really well. I'll leave in the descriptions below if you're interested. The dry rub that I used was from, I have to look at that again, sorry, yellowblissroad.com. I thought that came out really good. And the keto gravy, which was the first time I tried it, is from devalicious recipes.com. So if you want to check any of those out, and I'm definitely keeping that keto gravy recipe because you can use it with anything also. The chicken broth, beef broth, and I thought it came out really good. I was nervous to use as xanthan gum, and I thought it came out great. Even we had a backup jar of gravy in case my husband didn't like it, and he liked ours just fine. So some people can enjoy some keto type of items in your family. Oh, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and until next time, I'm Donna with Kinda Keto. Bye!